Welcome to SK106. Today we are going to see on that one new tool that is called as Iics. This is one of the ETL tool and updated version of the Informatica PowerCenter. Today we are going to see on Iics and what is meant by secure agent and difference between Informatica PowerCenter and Iics. At last we will see on that one-to-one mapping. Okay, first we'll see on that what is IaaS. IaaS, it is nothing but it is la Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, and I already said that it is a cloud-based platform. That is data integration services. That is, we are combining the data in one place. Okay, and load into the target. So this is the data integration services it is doing, and we have the variety of the features is available, sir. First, business data integration. Second one is application data integration. Third one is API management. The API management, it is managing the between the cloud and our local applications. Okay, and also this IaaS allows a business user to integrate their data across on the cloud-based applications, on-premises system and databases. Okay. Now we can see the difference between the Informatica Power Center and IaaS. When we see that Informatica Power Center, it is like that we whenever we need to work on this, we should install that server client like that. We should install that one. But here, no need to install that any client server. So this and all. Just we should install that secure agent. Based on that we can able to work on that, and after that no need to install any on-premises client server. Okay, and this is a full and full, it is web-based cloud integrations. And when we see that metadata in Informatica Power Center, these metadata it handled by our on-premises. That is, this metadata and all it is handled by our organizations. When we see IaaS, all the metadatas are managed by the Informatica itself. It is managing, and when we are working and doing that all the task in a Informatica Power Center, we should pay for all the enterprise license. We should pay that. But here in IaaS, how much you are using, that much only we should pay and we can use it. Okay. Next, we can see on that what is mean by cloud hosted agent. Okay. When we see that IaaS, we have the two uh, agent it is there. That is, one is cloud hosted agent and another one is secure agent. That is two and runtime environment it is available. Okay, so why we need this one means with the help of this cloud hosted agent and secure agent only we are running our mapping task or task flow, that is mapping workflow sessions. Okay, so everything we can do and execute, that is run on that this cloud hosted agent or the secure agent only we are running. Okay, with help of that certain connectors. And mainly why we are using that cloud hosted agent means if I want to access the data in SaaS environment. SaaS is nothing but software as a service. Okay, so if I want to access the data in SaaS environment, that time we can use like cloud hosted agent. Okay, so so here no need to install that. If I am using the cloud hosted agent means here no need to install that secure agent and all. We can directly use it and we can work on that. Here and also we can do that mapping sessions and synchronize the task, everything we can do it. Okay, next we can see on that what is mean by secure agent. Okay, secure agent it is a lightweight program. Okay, that runs the task and collect the metadatas for the Informatica cloud services. Okay, when we see this secure agent, it is a lightweight programs and also it run the task. It will collect that all the metadatas, but it won't store on secure agent. It will collect the metadata for the Informatica only. It is collecting the data. Okay, and also it gives us secure communications between our Informatica intelligent cloud services and our with organizations. Okay, and third one it is it runs within a secure agent group only work. That is, whatever you are running in the secure agent in the connections, that one only it will run. Okay, that one only it will run the map or task or task flow, and it will give the solution for that. Okay, and these all those things it is handled by that Informatica only, not by the on premises. Okay, and if I want to connect my source and target, so and also transfer the data between everything, we can use with the help of this secure agent. And one more things, if to improve the scalabilities or backup the agent, secure agents, we can run that multiple secure agents we can use in IACS. Okay, next we can see that one-to-one loader. How we can do that? One table to table load we can see on that IACS tool. Now we can create our one new mapping. Okay, so before that we should check on that in our administrator, that is what are the services it is there, it should all the services it is up and running the status. Okay, once the status is up and running only we can do our mapping or task flow in data integrations. Okay, now we can see here, go to runtime environment. Now check that these secure agent and all it is up and running. Okay, if it is status running only, we can do our mapping. Okay, now go to data integrations. Okay, once you are moving the data integrations, we can create our mapping. Okay, this is a web-based tool. That's the reason it is taking a little bit slower. Okay, loading the page. Now create the mapping. Okay, just create new, go to mapping. Okay, now create it. Whenever you are just creating means it's automatically give with the two object, one is source and another one is target. Okay, now we can take that source data. Okay, so go to this source. I already created the connections. Now I'm taking the my connection, it is Oracle source I'm taking. Okay, so I'm taking my connection, it is Oracle source I'm taking here. Okay, here we have that object type, it is single object because I'm taking only one table only as of now. Then select the object, that is I'm selecting the table. Okay, so we can select the department table I'm selecting. Okay, this table only I want to load into my target. Okay, now we can preview our data also. Once you are just enter the preview data, we can get to know that what are the data is available in our uh, departments. Okay, now we can move to the target, that is we are loaded all load data in the source. Okay, now we want to load that all the data from the source to target, we want to load it. Okay, we can see how we can load. If for the target I need to create that one target table. Okay, for that in Oracle I have created one target table. We'll see that one, which table that one. See here, I have created that my target table, that is TGT underscore department. Okay, this is my target table. From where I am creating means from the HR schemas. Okay, HR schema, that is HR dot departments where one equal to do. We already see that when the condition it is false means we are getting the table with the structure we are getting created but not having the any data. Okay, I already created one table. Okay, that is TGT departments. Now we can check that what are the data is available in the tables. Select star from TGT underscore departments. Okay, now if we are running means TGT underscore department. Okay, not department. Okay, select star from. Okay, now if I am running means see here the table it is created without having any data, because here I am mentioning that condition it is false. That's the reason table it's created without having any data. Now we can See how the data is loaded after done that mapping. Okay, after running these sessions. Now I take my target. Okay, now this maximize this pay this button. Okay, now go to the target here. Once you are going means here we can able to see our target connections Oracle underscore TGT. This is my core schema here. Okay, now select which target table you want to create it. Okay, in my core schema I have created more tables, but you see that which table you want to use it. Okay, I am selecting that department department, that is TGT underscore department. Select that which table you want to load into the target. I have selected that one. Okay, now we can preview the data. See here, once previewing the data means the table column only it is there without having any data, only the structure only it is there. In down we are not getting any data. Okay, after doing that mapping we can load that all the data to the target. Okay, when we see in that field names in source as well as in the target both are same name only, that is both are having the same columns. So we can use a smart map with help of the auto map sessions. Just to do the smart map, once you are done that smart map means then we can our save the mappings. Okay, once the save the mapping it is completed, the status of this mapping it is showing that valid status. Once the status is valid only we can run our the mapping. Now do the run. Okay, now our mapping it started to running. Okay, just see that which environment you are doing the work. We have the two runtime environment it is there, that is Informatica cloud hosted agent and Informatica secure agent. In the secure agent only we are giving that connections and the source and target and all we are getting from that one only. So that's the reason I have selected this second one, it is secure agent I have selected one. Now give the run. Okay, now it will be going to the run status. Now we'll see that in the my job sessions. Okay, once you are seeing that monitor it will be the status it is running, then it will be moved to the second status that is called as queue, then only it will be moved to the succeed or fail or rejected like that warning like that. Okay, now we can see that the status it is success. Okay, now press that in an instance name that the mapping 3 1. Okay, if you are pressing means here my source total number of the rows is 27 rows it is there, and as well as in the target also the 27 rows is there. Okay, that is what are the source in the data, it is all are populated in my target. How I can check these all are it's populated or not? Okay, we can check within that Oracle database table. Okay. Now see here, before when I am executing this select star from the TGT departments, this is not getting the populated. Now if I am selecting this particular table, if I am running means see here the data it is getting populated and total number of the fetched rows 27 row is fetched. That is after doing the one-to-one load. This way we can able to do on one-to-one load. In upcoming sessions we will see that flat file to table load or a flat file to flat file load only we can see it in the upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for that more videos. Thank you.